Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix CapCut search not working. If the search feature in CapCut is not responding properly, not loading results, or simply not working the way it should, this process can help refresh the app and resolve the issue. We'll walk through a few simple actions inside CapCut that are easy to follow and only take a moment. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a second to fully load so all menus and account features appear properly. This helps make sure you're working from the main interface before making any changes. Next, log into your account from the top left area of the app. If you are not already signed in, this is an important step because some search-related features may not work correctly unless your account is active and properly connected. After signing in, try using the search feature again to see whether the problem has been fixed. If search is still not working, move to the top right corner of the app and click on the Settings area. This is where CapCut stores several app controls and cleanup options that can help resolve temporary glitches. Once you open that area, click on Settings to enter the full Settings menu. Inside Settings, look for the Cache Delete icon and click on it. Clearing the cache can be helpful because stored temporary files sometimes become outdated or corrupted, which may interfere with features like search. Deleting the cache does not usually remove your main account information, but it does help the app refresh the background data it relies on. After that, click on Save to confirm the change. This makes sure the cache clearing action is applied properly. Once saved, the app should be working with a cleaner temporary storage state, which often improves performance and fixes minor bugs. If the search function still does not work after saving the changes, restart CapCut. Completely close the app, then open it again. Restarting gives the app a chance to reload all services and apply the updated settings from a fresh start. As a final tip, after reopening CapCut, wait a few seconds before testing search again so everything can load completely. In many cases, signing in, clearing the cache, saving the change, and restarting the app is enough to get the search feature working normally again. That's it. You've now gone through the steps to fix CapCut search not working.